Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. People respect you. Them talk good about you. You tell lie or you talk truth. You have one wife. You can control your picnic them a yard. Well, maybe if you are not deacon yet, maybe you can turn deacon. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait for? Do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 3, from verse 8 to verse 13. Same like the elder, the deacon them, to be somebody where people respect. Then if you tell one somebody sitting and go tell somebody else sitting different. Then if you love drink too much and then if you want money, then if you hang on tight on the true message where God show we with all of them heart and not fake it. People who want to turn deacon can't just turn deacon so. The church have to test them first. And if nobody no find nothing wrong with them, then they can turn deacon. As same so the woman they must live their life so people will respect them. They no feel so lie or talk bad about people. Instead of that, then they can control themselves, no go overboard with nothing, and people can trust them. The deacon they must only have one wife and must can control them, pick them, and run their own house. People will respect the deacon them will do one good job. And cause people respect them, the deacon them can talk about them trust in a Jesus. I'm not afraid of nothing. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.